Going to prepare a favorite summer dish. Today is a great day to prepare some shish kebabs. So let's begin by preparing our bold and savory marinade, which holds the secret to this delectable dish. In a deep bowl, combine 1/3 cup reduced sodium soy sauce. Add 1/3 cup olive oil or vegetable oil, 1/3 cup lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of powdered garlic, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon coarsely cracked black pepper. Then mix the ingredients well. We'll be using about a pound of lean beef cut into cubes. Toss the beef cubes and about 8 pieces of pre-washed stemless white mushrooms into the marinade, making sure that the meat and the mushrooms are well coated. Cover the bowl and marinate in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. Remove the beef and mushrooms from the marinade and shake off any excess liquid. Pour the marinade in a saucepan and bring to a rolling boil. Then reduce heat to simmer the marinade for about 10 minutes. We are then going to set this aside and use this marinade later for basting. We're going to prepare the vegetables. We'll need 1 large green and 1 large yellow bell pepper and cut them into chunks. 1 large red onion cut into chunky pieces. Next, we will thread pieces of the green bell pepper, beef cube, yellow bell pepper, mushroom, and onion onto these metal skewers. We are going to use our smokeless indoor grill. We will preheat the grill to high heat for about 5 minutes. Turn down the heat a notch. Remember to turn the skewers every now and then and baste with the marinade. We will grill for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the meat is nicely browned on all sides and the beef is no longer pink in the center. Serve the shish kebabs with cilantro rice, fresh salad, or with crusted bread. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time here on Jeyn's Corner. Enjoy!